Now, upload or choose your image. To remove the image background for free, click on the I tab. Now click on Effects. Here you can find Shadow Effect. Here, you can see many shadow effects. Adjust these properties, and make a glowing outline effect. You can also try other shadow effects, like angle shadow, drop shadow effects. Adjust these properties according to your design or image. Let's make object shadow effect. Adjust these properties according to your design or image. Now, upload or choose your image. Go to Effects and then select Frames. Here you can see many frames. Choose any one according to your design. You can also adjust the image inside the frame. Now, upload or choose your image. Now, go to Effects and then click on Smart Mockups. Adjust these properties according to your design or image. You can also change the product color. Here you can see many mockups. Choose any one according to your design or product. Adjust these properties according to your design or image. You can also showcase any website or app using these mockups. Please comment on your favorite effect in the comment box.